Oh, okay, Skinny, you ready? Here I come. Here I come. That woodpecker's right there. There's the woodpecker right there. That's the female woodpecker. That's a female woodpecker. That's a red-bellied woodpecker, a female. She's looking at those pecans, peanuts. She's watching that squirrel above her. She don't like that squirrel being above her like that. Skinny, that skinny squirrel right there, Skinny. He'll run behind a tree probably. Skinny, he run off. Come here, Skinny. Come here. There's Skinny's right there. Woodpecker above Skinny. They didn't want the peanuts. That's peanuts. They didn't want the peanuts. No salt. That's peanuts with no salt. The pecans right here. I got somebody looking at me right here. Ouch. Mosquito bit me. Look right here. I had a who was that right there? Who was that right there? Who is that right there? I see you right here. I see you right here. I got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 looking at me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 looking at me. There are 2 or 3 birds around here. I'm going to get my bird. I'm going to get my bird list on what these birds are. Oh, I'm going to tell you something right now. Look at this. You can see that moisture on my hand, that wet on my hand. That's my forehead. You see it all that water? That's my forehead right there. That's how hot it is right now. They said it's supposed to be something like 93, 94 today, but it's gonna feel like it's 106 degrees. And I'm just standing right here and the wind's blowing a little bit, but I'm sweating, my shirt's wet. Stop this video, stop.